Okay. I gotta keep everything still because my phone is very precariously placed. I'm also doing this ahead of time. So today is the day that one of my big Shinobu figures is supposed to come. And I've been waiting all day, and I'll probably be waiting all the rest of it. But because I might be busy, I wanted to go ahead and film an intro for this so that I could just go and open the package. Funny story. I forgot that when Amazon does pre-orders, by the way, don't support Amazon. It was in April. I mean, I still buy stuff off Amazon, but that's just because I'm an asshole. I don't know. But I've heard of other stores to use, like Big Bad Toys, for example. And my friend who ordered her Shinobu through them got it like last week. Anyway, it's time for me to go, so I will finish this later. Peace. Okay. Again, precariously placed. I had to go pick up a car. I have a car again. Anyway, package came in. It's big. It's a big boy. It's very big. I'm so excited. Y'all have no clue. I'm so fucking excited. I've been waiting for this since fucking April. I think for my next pre-orders, besides another one that I have coming in October, I'm going to try doing it with Big Bad Toys, I believe it is. Because a friend of mine got her Shinobu statue through them, and it was actually, like, faster. And so, I think it'd be nice to try out something different. Alright, we got a box in a box. It's very well packaged, though. Oh, she's big. Okay. Okay. Here she is. Sorry for all the light discrepancy. I don't know. It feels weird not being in the middle of the frame. But then there's... Okay. Anyway. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's see. Where do I want to open it? I guess from here. Because otherwise it wouldn't be taped. You're not supposed to cut towards yourself. Although we have obviously seen what I think of that. It's important, but like, come on. When's the last time I listened to instructions? If you have seen my videos before, you know that I tend to just wing it. So, thankfully winging it works pretty well most of the time. Alright, here we go. I got a big ass scratch on my leg and it keeps, the box corner keeps like digging into it. And I'm just like, death, sweet release of death, take me now. Y'all, it's purple. Alright, let's see. It's wrapped in tissue paper. I tore it. I was gonna see if I could, like, not tear the tissue paper. But I'm me. Oh, man. Oh, man. I'm so... Okay. Oh, dude. Okay, here. I'm gonna slide that off. Oh, man. I forgot I had my music on. Let's just hope that nothing happens because of that. Let's hope I don't get copyright strikes for that. Yo! Oh, man. Box is in good condition. We know I'm anal about that. Oh, man. Oh, dude. Those detail shots, though. I'm so fucking excited. Okay. box. Okay, yeah, we're just gonna go get a knife. I'm gonna go throw my scissors, so I'm gonna go get a knife. I'm stupid. It's in my pocket. Definitely don't cut towards yourself with this one. Oh, y'all, dude, this is sick. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and put that back in here. Yeah. Okay. Oh, look at her. She's peeking out. I should probably be doing this on my bed because it's going up in that shelf right there. I'm gonna put butterflies like it is on this one. But, you know, I'll just carry it. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. My hair looked cuter this way. Let's see. More tape. Let's see. Are we good? Alright, I think we're good. Alright, opens like a dream. Oh my god, guys. Oh, she's so pretty. Okay. And she's already assembled. Oh my god. Okay, so I've been waiting for this since April. Totally worth it. Jesus Christ. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. Look at her! Oh my god. Okay, here. I'm holding her very carefully. She's gorgeous, though. And the little details, like, especially in the back, like, they bothered to put the little bows on her shin guards. Oh, man. Oh, this is so pretty. And it's so delicate looking. Oh my god. Probably hurts people that I'm holding it that way. So I'm gonna go put this up there, decorate a little bit, and then I'll show you what's up. Okay, so I'm sorry that it's probably shaky. I'm literally standing on my bed to see this. She's so pretty. Oh my god, she's gorgeous. Okay, here, look. The butterflies, the gradient, like, oh my gosh. Oh, she's beautiful. But yeah. So, oh my gosh, she's beautiful. Also, I took a margarita break, so sorry about that. Oh god. Every time I unbox a figure, it's just me freaking out about it. So that's it. Honestly, like 12 out of 10, definitely would recommend it. Not at the price she's selling for now. I bought her for about $81, $82. I saw someone trying to sell her for $130. So, especially with Demon Slayer, you really need to be on top of pre-orders. But anyway, I'm so happy. She's gorgeous. One final look. There she is. There she is. Woo! Anyway, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!